Hi, I'm Sakshi. I'm a manager from Prodivity. So basically I manage the knowledge and innovation teams in Prodivity. I have been associated with the firms for 10 long years, and fun fact, I'm also IILM alumni. I passed out I think 10 years back in 2013, but yeah, it's been amazing coming back to college. Reminds me of those good old days. Today I was here with my colleague Anushka, and we took a session on Power BI. It was amazing to see the enthusiasm. Some of the students were really engaged and participated and asked a lot of good questions, and the best part was that we could see data visualization dashboards created up in an hour. So speaks volumes about the quick learning power of the students. I am very optimistic about the kind of students we'll get from this college. We've had a good success rate from IILM. So yeah, looking forward to the next two sessions, and all the best to the students.